welcome to my channel. Today I just wanted to share mini pocket letters for Joanne. Her channel name is Happy Mail Stamper, and she's having a little go around where if you create 2 pocket letters, mini ones, a mini pocket letter has just 3 spots here. So you would just cut yours into 3, and that's 1 sheet. And that way you can make 2 for the challenge, and it would be nice to make Joanne one as well. So that's what I did. I made 3. And then you have no waste either from your sheet, and then you put that aside, it gets crinkled, so might as well just make 3. And then she also wanted a birthday challenge where you just make her a card, and she doesn't want you to write in the card, she wants you to just put a note in there so she could reuse that card for somebody down the road. So she's having 2 separate challenges. I will link the details and her channel with that link down below, and you have till March 31st if you have a chance to get in on this. These are my mini pocket letters. I did make 3 like I said because I wanted to give one to Joanne. Whoops, that little popped off there. So I'm going to show you them, you guys, and I made them all pretty similar, and I attached a little tassel I created for all of them. I used these different ribbons and I beat it up some, and I thought that was really cute to just hang off the ends. And then over here I did do, for the first time, I made some of these ATC folders. So there's a few little die cuts or ephemeras in there, and I stitched it, you could see, just around these sides here. And then I added this butterfly, a little piece of like book paper, some silver trim in here, and some bling. So I thought that was cute. And in the back I included a tag on this one and some other little stickers and bling. And I remember she did want you to include a tea bag, so I still have to do that. So this one is just an ATC, and it's simple because she could always further embellish it. So it's got the flower and enjoy I stamped out, and then on the outside I put these beautiful flowers. Somebody made these for me, so I put them on here so that she could repurpose them into her own project. So they come right off and like that. And then this one here is another ATC, and I stitched down the middle here, but then I glued on the separate backing because I wanted them to be a little thicker than just the one sheet, and these weren't double-sided, so I made it double-sided like I did the other one. I just didn't make the folders double-sided. And then I added some crepe paper, like a little banner. I left the stitching hanging off, a few blings, and a cute little smoothie. And then I included all these shaker bits for sequins, for various shakers rather. And so yeah, that's the back, and I do have to put my tea bag in because that was something she wanted. So that's one. And then this one here, I'm not going to take them all out now. So everybody got one that's like a folder. That's this one over here, and the others were ATCs. So over here you could see just some layering. I have that silver thread trim. I stitched here. I added just some cute stuff. And then this cute little butterfly and the bling and one of those gorgeous flowers. And then down here some more layering with some book paper. And then I have that fortune cookie that says lucky. So here is this one with the tassel, and then in the back I included bling and sequins and some other fun stuff and a tag. And then for this last one here, the third one, again with the tassel, I did those, some stickers fell out of that last one. And then over here, it's the ATC. I stitched it all up. I'll just take it out here so you can see. And I have the banner-like thing and the little butterflies. So I love that. And then in this one, the middle is, I'll show you, again, I made one of those folders. And these are really cute because you could stick extra goodies right inside. So that's what I did with everybody's. And they're simple to make, real simple. You know, you just make it a little bit bigger so you could fold it and smile, and then she could decorate the rest of this one. Here's a little tag in the back, and I put one of those pretty flowers right on the front here. And then the last one, I stitched it, actually, you could see, right down the middle, little zigzag stitch, added that silver trim, some book paper that I inked up like the others, and the butterfly. And here is how the back looks. And yeah, those are my little pocket letters, and now I want to show you Joanne's card. So this is Joanne's card, you guys, and I made a matching pink envelope. And the card, I backed it, I made it mostly with this pink. And what I did was I added a white page here. That's where you'd write on. And this is that Dollar Tree sticker pack that has happy birthday. So I thought that was a super cute inside. And now back to the front, I used these Dollar Tree happy birthdays. And I used the Cricut to cut out all the balloons. And then I just added a little string at the bottom. And that was it. It takes more time than it looks. But yeah, I hope she enjoys it. I thought it came out super cute. So that is the card and the matching envelope. Alright guys, that is it for today. That is what I created for Joanne's Spring Mini Pocket Letter Swap and her other challenge, which is a birthday challenge. So there's two challenges, separate, but they both end on the same date. So I'm going to mail it all together for both of her giveaways. So go check it on out. As always, I hope that you enjoyed my creations, enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.